Yo, Monkey Bro! Monkey Bro, I'm recording! Monkey Bro, chill out! Chill out! Chill out!
It's me. Remember me? Remember me? Remember me, Monkey Bro?
I'm recording a video! Monkey Bro, make sure you... Let's go.
Remember me?
Nah, bro, just called him a shrimp. No, I'm gonna do the same. Come here.
Oh my gosh.
You're playing.
Monkey Bro, I've been waiting to...
Leaf dirt. I'm grabbing my gun now. I'm done.
I know you call me.
I'm right here.
What the...
Are you friends with him? Are you friendly?
Dude, Monkey Bro.
Wait, Monkey Bro,
What the heck? Monkey Bro, why are you going insane? Is Monkey Bro is insane?
I locked the door.
Did Monkey Bro turn into super hype?
Hey, Diddy.
Yo, Monkey Bro turned into super hype, bro. I think a Monkey Bro is so hyped for my video. I'm so skippity toilet for the video.
Monkey Bro loves the code. Monkey Bro loves the code.
Dude.
Bro is big, dude.
I might as well.
Everybody join Mr. Woods, please.
Okay.
Join
No, don't do it. It's a ban code.
1,950
It's a ban code. Don't do it. It's a ban code.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
I'm
not.
not stupid.
Mr. Woods, guys. Mr. Woods.
I'm not stupid,
Yo,
buddy.
Monkey
I'm
Bro.
not
I don't know.
Dude, where did
Is
Monkey
it?
Bro go? Yo, I think Monkey Bro left. Cause
Yeah, cause
he left.
I
Why did he leave? Dude, who has a brown key? You have a brown key?
not yet. There it is.
Wait,
Take the brown key. Oh,
you know where Monkey Bro is?
Yes.
where is he? You curse voice.
Where's Monkey Bro?
Where's Monkey Bro?
Y'all, do you know where Monkey Bro go?
Tell me now. Or else you suck.
Do you know where Monkey Bro is? Tell me.
First try. It says Monkey Bro VR is in the code, but it doesn't. How do you know my personal name? That
Yo.
was so close to my name. My real name is Liam, dude.
I donate to Monkey Bro. He's mine.
I shall go into the unknown.
Hong Kong.
Yo, what's the matter with Monkey Bro? Why is he always hiding?
Who's the owner? I wanna friend the owner so I can go and meet teleporters.
Why can't I see
You know
anything
what
else?
I'm saying? I'm gonna friend you. This is so close to my name.
Pika,
But I don't know where. One more. Monkey Bro's at one more?
He's east, and then you can take a turn south, and then take a turn west, and then take a turn.
Yo, he's in one more. It literally says. Monkey. Dude,
I want to go too.
where did he go? Oh, he's in.
Hello, Auntie.
Monkey Bro, what are you doing? Oh, what's up? I'm recording. What's up?
And I see that. Okay, guys, here's the pawn. Here's the pawn.
Who's
Huh?
it? Did you even
Yeah,
choose
no.
anybody for your
Where
giveaway?
do we go? Where do we go if there's just staff teleporters? Where do we go?
But nowhere but.
Monkey Bro.
Now, if you guys even want the giveaway. One of it, you say the secret word. Because it doesn't matter, because someone already won it. What
You
was
own
the
every
secret word?
potion.
I
You
don't
own
know
every
who won.
potion.
I watched the giveaway, dude. Go watch his giveaway right now. You should watch his videos. He's Barry Sigma. That's why you should watch
Yeah,
him.
I was just playing, and then I joined, and I'm like, oh.
Finally, I added.
Right?
I was wondering, why did you change your avatar?
What's
I'm upside down.
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I'm literally just.
Okay.
I want to spin. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna join this community real code, and if you guys don't join, then
Yo,
What happens if I join?
Monkey Bro, where you going?
nothing. Follow me.
Okay. Okay, guess he doesn't see.
Not job, buddy. Can anybody help me with my only up?
Oh crap.
Me, I can. I can. I can.
Oh, yo, I have that. That's it.
Oh, freaking move, big back.
Life is
Money.
Oh, I ain't rent money.
No, bro's going sit.
And yeah. What the Sigma? Who the heck is Brook? Well, guys, that was the end of Monkey Bro. Bye.